If you love luxury motorhomes like this one, make sure you hit that like button right now.
Subscribe for more incredible RV tours and drop a comment telling us your favorite feature.
What if the most luxurious home in America could travel anywhere? And what if its biggest secret was hidden on the very top level? Today we are stepping inside America's $15 million BMW Motorhome 2027, a rolling palace that stunned luxury experts nationwide. Before we open the doors, subscribe and join us for more incredible luxury tours, because the final reveal in this motorhome changes everything you thought possible on wheels. From the outside, this massive 3-floor masterpiece looks more like a futuristic mansion than an RV. BMW combined advanced engineering, luxury design, and smart technology into one extraordinary vehicle. The sleek body features aerodynamic lines, intelligent lighting, panoramic glass sections, and premium materials throughout. Every detail feels exclusive, but the real surprise begins when the main entrance opens and reveals a stunning first floor built to deliver comfort, productivity, and relaxation during every mile of travel. The first floor welcomes guests with a spacious lounge featuring luxury seating, ambient lighting, and large smart displays. Nearby sits a fully equipped gourmet kitchen with premium appliances, hidden storage, and elegant finishes designed for extended journeys. Across from the kitchen, a modern office area allows owners to work from anywhere in America. A convenient laundry section keeps everything organized. Then comes a dedicated gym area where fitness remains part of daily life, even while crossing states in complete luxury. Moving toward the center of the motorhome, advanced smart technology takes control of nearly everything. Voice commands manage lighting, climate settings, entertainment systems, security functions, and privacy features. Cameras provide full exterior visibility, while intelligent sensors monitor vehicle performance in real time. The driving cabin feels like a luxury command center. Massive digital displays, premium materials, advanced driver assistance systems, and ergonomic seating create an experience unlike traditional motorhomes. Yet the second floor introduces an entirely different level of exclusivity. As we reach the second floor, privacy becomes the focus. This level is designed around a magnificent master bedroom featuring a king-size bed, panoramic windows, luxury finishes, and customizable lighting scenes. Nearby is a sophisticated dressing area with extensive wardrobe storage. A private massage area offers relaxation after long travel days. Hidden technology quietly adjusts comfort settings throughout the suite. Every element feels tailored for elite owners who expect 5-star living standards while exploring America's most beautiful destinations. The second floor also becomes the perfect setting for unforgettable travel moments. Imagine arriving at a breathtaking destination in the mountains of Wyoming. As the sun sets behind the peaks, a honeymoon couple steps outside the BMW motorhome and enjoys the incredible scenery together. The luxury suite becomes their private retreat surrounded by nature. Moments like these explain why this vehicle attracts attention everywhere it goes. Yet even this romantic experience is not the most impressive feature waiting ahead. Now we arrive at the third floor, where entertainment and wellness take center stage. The highlight is an indoor swimming pool surrounded by elegant design details and panoramic views. Few motorhomes in the world can offer anything remotely similar. Adjacent to the pool sits a luxurious bathroom featuring premium materials, spacious showers, advanced fixtures, and spa-inspired comfort. Every surface reflects careful craftsmanship. This level transforms travel into a resort experience, making long journeys feel more like permanent luxury vacations. Just when it seems impossible to add more features, the third floor reveals additional surprises. Exclusive lounge spaces provide perfect areas for social gatherings and private events. Integrated entertainment systems deliver cinema-quality experiences. Smart glass technology changes transparency instantly for privacy or views. Climate zones maintain ideal comfort throughout every section. Storage solutions remain hidden behind elegant panels. The engineering behind this motorhome is remarkable because it combines enormous living space with advanced mobility, creating something truly unique in America. But nothing prepares visitors for the rooftop deck. This is the feature that transformed the BMW Motorhome into a legend. The rooftop offers luxury seating areas, breathtaking panoramic views, and an elegant bar area designed for unforgettable evenings. Whether parked beside mountains, deserts, coastlines, or city skylines, the atmosphere feels extraordinary. Owners can host guests, enjoy quiet sunsets, or relax beneath the stars. The rooftop experience delivers the feeling of a luxury penthouse floating above some of America's most spectacular destinations. And now for the biggest reveal. Hidden within the smart system is a fully integrated luxury ecosystem connecting every floor, every feature, and every comfort setting into one seamless experience. From the driving cabin to the indoor pool and rooftop deck, everything works together intelligently. That is why America's $15 million BMW Motorhome 2027 is not simply an RV. It is a moving palace built for the future. If you enjoyed this tour, subscribe, like, and tell us where you would take this incredible machine first across America today.